Hey everyone, this is Unit 7A, and we're on topic number 2. You should have already completed notes and homework on topic number 1. Alright, so again, the directions look the same as what we did with topic 1. The directions say to simplify each of the following. A simplified expression means it looks like this. It has a number out front, if there is a number, and then any variable to an exponent, another variable to an exponent, another variable to an exponent. So it could be x, y, z, or a, b, c, or whatever. But basically each variable exists only one time. So I know this is not simplified because I have an x, a base of x, and another base of x. And these parentheses just mean that x to the fourth in parentheses is multiplied by x to the fifth in parentheses. So to do these, I am going to expand this by writing x to the fourth like this. X times x times x times x. That's what x to the fourth means. And now the parentheses just mean to multiply. So I'm going to multiply that by x to the fifth, which is x times x times x times x times x. And then to simplify this, we just write it as a single base of x. And I'll count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. X to the ninth is our final answer. Alright, the next one, I have x to, what is this one? 3x squared. So 3x squared is really 3 times x times x. And I'm going to multiply that by 4x cubed, which is 4 times x times x times x. And now I'm going to be really careful here because I have some bases with no exponent that are numbers. These are the coefficients. So I'm going to do 3 times 4, that's 12. And then I'm going to count all my x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get x to the fifth. Alright, next one. I have x cubed y to the fifth. Alright, x cubed y to the fifth is x times x times x, 3 x's. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and then I'm multiplying that by 5x y squared. So that means I'm multiplying it by 5, and then an x, and then a y, and a y. And to simplify this, I first look for coefficients. I only have one, the 5, so I'm going to put that out front. So I get 5. Then I'm going to count my x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, x to the fourth. I'm going to count my y's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Y to the seventh. Final answer. Alright, lastly, this one doesn't have any parentheses, but separating each of these bases is the little dot, which means multiplication. So really this means 2 times x squared times y cubed. So we're just going to write this all out. And what I'm going to do first is take the 2 and the 4 and put them first. 2 times 4. Now I'm going to write out the x's, x squared, x times x, and then a 1x over here, times another x. And now I'm going to do the y's, y cubed, 1, 2, 3. There's y squared right there, 1, 2. And then lastly, z squared. So I'll do z times z. So my final answer, I multiply 2 times 4 and I get 8. And then I do, let me see. And then I do 1, 2, 3 x's, x cubed, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y's, y to the fifth, and then 2 z's, z squared. Alright guys, you should practice this by doing homework number 2 in your homework packet. Good luck.